Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maggie. Before we get into today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, turn on my bell notifications, and subscribe for more cozy makeup content. In today's video, we will be swatching and putting on two of the Wet n Wild Mother Fluffer Cloud Blush and Bronzers. I should have gotten one of the contours just to see if it would be a nice affordable contour since I'm on the hunt. Everyone has been suggesting cream ones, so I think I have a list of cream ones I want to try, but if you have any powder contour, hit me up in the comment section too. But the Mother Fluffer Cloud Blush and Bronzers are Flow Into Cloud Soft Color. Dreamy yet bold, our Mother Fluffer Cloud Blush and Bronzers melt from cream to powder, leaving a smooth, blurred, matte finish for a naturally flushed or sun-kissed glow. I have two different shades to try today. I have Pink-a-boo, and then I also have Phresh Peony. I love the packaging. Feels like a plastic, but sounds like glass, but it's plastic. They look like little cutie mushrooms. I love that. And the colors just spoke to me. I love a peachy peach, and I like a bright tulip pink for a blush. And I thought they would definitely make a great like ombre blush. But today's purpose, we will just try it on each cheek. And then depending on how they look, maybe I'll try to do an ombre blush on each cheek with both of them. I think the first one I'm going to start with is Phresh Peony, or Phresh Peony. I always say that wrong. I always say peony. I don't think it matters, but let's zoom in to these cheeks. I'm just going to take, ooh, it's nice and whipped. Reminds me of Dream Matte Mousse, but like not as thick and horrible for the face. It does say it's cream to powder. Oh, powder, so that is nice. I love this color. It's like my favorite kind of peach color. It's nice and blurring like it said. I appreciate, because I like a blurring blush, but I also like a little bit of a more baked pearlized finish. I'm still trying to find a dupe for the Cheer blush from Rare Beauty. I really like that one, but it's just so fragile. I still have plenty to use, so maybe I'll find a dupe. I feel like I might have found one from, I want to say it's Essence or Catrice Makeup. I just ordered this Aloha blush, and it looks like the same kind of color with the flip, so we'll see if it is a nice comparable color. But I really like that. There's Phresh Peony. Adds a bit of life to the face without it being a little overbearing. And then let's go into Pink-a-boo, which is that nice and pillowy. This formula is very easy to blend. I feel like if I used like a flat, that duo from e.l.f., they have one as like the fluffy end and then the like flat shader end. I feel like that would be great for this. Maybe Wet n Wild even has. Well, there's Pink-a-boo. Which side do you prefer? I think I'm gonna take some of the Pink-a-boo and just kind of add it over here. A bit of an ombre. And then it transforms into the, you know, more peachy color. Maybe Phresh Peony. And we're just gonna, whatever's on our finger, just tap it on top of the nose. Because I like doing this with your blush. I just think it makes it more cute and cohesive. Ooh, I really like those. I'll be curious to see if it actually dries down. Actually, it's pretty dry already. I need to look at the swatches of the bronzer ones. I wanted to wait until I picked one up because they did look like they had a good contour shade, and I've decided I'm going to make a contour video trying affordable contours to like find my perfect match. I already have one. I think it's a cream stick, so I'm going to pick another one someone told me to get. I think it was from Catrice, I'm gonna try that one and then maybe this Wet n Wild Mother Fluffer one, but 2 thumbs up for me. I love those colors. Very perfect for spring. They feel light and fluffy on the skin, and they do blur, which I think is great if you have any texture on your skin. Maybe go for more blurring products because it will help hide the fact that you have a little bit of a texture. I want them to come out with this formula for a concealer because I feel like that would probably be pretty good, in my opinion, underneath the eyes, like super blurring. So Wet n Wild, if you hear me this, make a blurring pot concealer because I think that would be a good idea. But hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you were looking at either of these 2 shades, I was able to show you a good swatch and everything on the cheeks. And have a beautiful day or night wherever you are. Bye!